Hey guys, today's video is going to be a FabFitFun video. I'm going to be showing you guys the members pick box. I have partnered with FabFitFun a few times. It's kind of like off and on, nothing like really consistent. I'll link my other FabFitFun videos down below, but if you don't know what they are a seasonal subscription service. They have fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness products, just kind of like a mash of everything. One cool thing about this box is that you can customize many of the items in the box, which is super cool. You know, I like getting subscription services. I like, you know, the surprise, but I also like to know you know, what I'm getting too, especially if you're spending money on a box, you know, that not everyone likes that element of surprise, you know. The box is valued at over $200, but if you use my code, the box is only $39.99. My code is Bad as Rad, I believe. I gotta double check, but I'll have it down below. Here's the box. How pretty is this? Okay, so the first thing in the box is a $45 credit to Bright Cellars. I feel like all of these wine companies partner with like all these subscription services because I always see whether it's this company or not, I just always get like wine vouchers, and the kicker is you have to spend like $160. It's like, oh, you get $50 off, but you have to spend like $150, and it's like I can't drink wine right now because I'm pregnant, so it's just kind of like a tease. All right, and then there's an $80 off coupon for HelloFresh. That's another one where I know there's a catch. Just being real with you guys. You have to spend like a certain amount. In the box you have a magazine. It shows all the products that are in here. I did get to choose these products, but honestly I don't remember what I chose. It'll be a nice little surprise. Okay, so yeah, anyway, the magazine, it just shows all the product. Okay, first thing in the box is from IGK. Expensive, it says. This is the Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat. This is for your hair. It is vegan, cruelty and gluten-free. It's an in-shower gloss treatment to protect, what did I just say? To protect and enhance color and shine. It says use 1 to 2 times a week in place of your conditioner. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Let's smell it. Oh, looks like it kind of exploded. It smells all right. Next, this is, oh, I know what this is. This is a passport holder, a Michael Kors passport holder. I don't have a passport. If I did, I wouldn't be traveling anywhere right now because of, you know, because of what's going on. So this is what it looks like. I mean, you could totally use this as a wallet. You know, if you're like me and you don't like carrying cash around, you just carry cards. You know, you can put your cards here, your license here, and whatever else here. Obviously this is where your passport goes. But you could totally use this as a wallet. Super cute. What is this? Oh, I'm excited about this. So this is the Gravity Weighted Sleeping Mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. Maybe premium fleece, Velcro snap, deep touch, pressure stimulation. It's a weighted sleep mask. I don't know, I saw this, I'm like, I haven't been sleeping at night. Thank you, pregnancy. So I'm gonna try this. Wow, that is, yeah, it's got some weight to it. It's very soft though. I'm excited to try this. I don't want to put it on my face right now because I've got makeup on and I don't want to get all yucky. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. Next we have something from Levito. Levito, this is the Musk Coconut and Shea Butter Nurturing Hand Cream. Yes, I remember picking this up because I'm like, winter's coming up, well, fall then winter. My hands always get so dry in the fall and winter time. I hate it. So yeah, massage into hands. Okay, it's a hand cream, you know what to do. Let's smell it. Ooh, that smells really good. Definitely can smell like the coconut and shea butter. Ooh, yes. This guy I have tried before. It's the makeup eraser. It says erase all makeup with just water. This is great to have because I don't know about you guys, but I run out of makeup remover wipes often. Like I need to start stocking up. Actually right now I have, which is funny, of course I'd get this when I have like a stockpile of makeup wipes. But yeah, I usually run out of makeup wipes and this is just really good to have. It's literally a microfiber like towel. I was so skeptical of this. I was like, yeah, okay, we're gonna even take off like mascara. But it does. I'm super excited to have this back in my life. Next thing in the box is from Spongily. Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. So it's a sponge with like body wash already infused in it. I have tried, oh my lord, That smells so good. Wow. Wow. You hear my voice just crack? I don't know. This says Sugar Dahlia. Oh my gosh. I want to go shower like right now and scrub my whole body with this. It smells so good. I can't even describe it. It's like a perfumey scent, but like a really, really nice, not too heavy perfume. It says it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. So yeah, it's like, you know, it's like a kind of rough, so I could see how it would exfoliate. It says place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I want like a perfume that smells like this. What is this company? I need to look into this company and see if they make perfume. If not, they should. This is the Vouray. The Vouray Sidekick Grey Moto. Is this just a little purse? Did I get 2 purses? Did I choose 2 purses? We all deserve a reliable sidekick to get us through the day. We hope you put yours to good use. This is cute. Camera focus, don't look at my nails. Just a little gray, like crossbody purse. Just a little tiny, big foamy thing in it. Yeah, that's cute. Oh, look at that. Keep that away from the kids. This is cute. The crossbody strap. Vouray. Looks like they make like athletic gear bags. Don't look at my nails. I know, they're gross. They're gross. And the last thing in the box is this big tote bag from Botkier. B-O-T-K-I-E-R. Botkier, New York. But this is cute. Oh, what is this? What is this? This is a cute little tote. Not little, I mean it's kind of big. Yeah, I like it. Ooh, I like how it has the zipper on the side. It's just for decoration, but I like it. It looks cool. Hold on. There we go. Cute. I like this material. It's like a kind of like a vinyl type material. It just seems like it'd be very washable. Really great if you have kids who make messes and spill stuff everywhere. I feel like this is going to be very easy to clean. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my FabFitFun members box. I'm excited about everything. I'm excited about that tote. This hair stuff, yes, I will try it. The hand cream, yes. Again, I'm so glad it's back in my life because I've missed it. The sleep mask, super excited to try. This little crossbody, honestly, this is probably the only thing that I really won't get much use out of because I carry a lot of stuff with me when I go places. Actually, you know what? This would be good for when I go thrifting, actually, or when I go to the bins. If I go back to the bins, I haven't been back to the bins yet, you know, the Goodwill bins. Michael Kors little thing, I could definitely use this as a wallet. Super cute. What else did we get? What else? Oh my gosh, the sponge. Guys, oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna look into this company and see what else they make because I need everything in this scent. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have my code for FabFitFun down below. I believe it's Bad as Rad, and you will get a box for $39.99. I will have a link to FabFitFun down below with more info. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.